Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.5, Problem 8. This is Section 3.5, Problem 8. We have 1.4 divides into 3,556. Now, what we have to do is do something to deal with decimal in the 1.4. So what you have to do, the rule is the decimal for the number outside of the division symbol, or the right name for it is the divisor, has to be at the end or to the far right. So it has to come after the 4. So that means we have to move it one position over. That means the number under the division symbol, it's called a dividend, you have to move it the same number of places. So there's no decimal written. You can assume it's at the end of the problem. So if we move it one place, we can fill in a 0 to hold that place, and it'll go to the end now. Now it'll match. So the problem really becomes 14 divides into 35560. So that's a fairly big division problem, but now it's written without a decimal. So 14 divides into 3, it won't fit in the 3. So go to the next digit. 14 divides into 35. So it'll go in 2 times. 2 times 14 is 28. 35 minus 28 is 7. You can bring down the next digit, which is a 5. So now 14 divides into 75. Let's see if 5 will go. So 5 times 4 is 20. Carry the 2. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 plus 2 more is 7. So 70, it fits pretty good. So 75 minus 70 is 5. Bring down the next digit over, which is a 6. 56, it'll go into that evenly. 14 will go into 56 4 times. So 4 times 15 is 56. 56 minus 56 is 0. Now, we're not done because there's still another 0. The last thing we brought down was a 6. You still have to bring down that 0. Now, 14 divides into 0 0 times. 0 times 14 is 14. We subtract. There's no remainder. So the final answer is 2,540. That's the answer to the original problem after we move the decimal.